Hi, boys and girls. This is Ms. Smith, and I'm going to go over the answers for our spiral review for Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and let's take a look at it. All right, so for Wednesday, number one, it says, what is similar between the two fraction models below? What is different? Okay, so similar means same, okay? And different obviously means different. So when I look at these two models, I have a circle model, fraction model, and a rectangular or fraction bar model. And so I noticed that 1 out of 4 is shaded in my circle fraction model, and 1 out of 4 is shaded in my fraction bar model. I also can say that 3/4 are unshaded and 3/4 are unshaded. So that's how they are similar. What is different? It's just that they are different models. We have a circle model and a bar model or a fraction bar model. So that is basically how they are different. But they both show the same amount. So that's how they are similar. Okay, moving on to number 2, it says find the product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Again, if you don't know that, you're going to be sunk, especially if they say, instead of doing the symbol right here, they say 75 and 23. All right, so 75 and 23, I'm going to solve this using area model. So the first thing I'm going to do is expand both my factors into 70 plus 5 and 20 plus 3. I'm going to go ahead and make my area model box. Actually, let me fix that. I don't want it interfering with my work. So 70 plus 5. All right, so I'm going to make it over here. And I'm going to make 4 windows. So I'm going to have 70 and 5 and 20 and 3. So 70 times 20 goes in this box. My basic fact is 7 times 2, so that's 14. And because it's a multiple of 10, I'm going to tack on the 2 zeros. 70 times 3 will go in this box right here. Basic fact is 7 times 3, which is 21, and I add the 0. 20 times 5 goes in this box right here. Basic fact is 2 times 5, which is 10, and add the 0, so it's 100. And then 5 times 3 goes in this box, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now, these are all my partial products, so in order to find my true product, I have to add them up. So I have here 1,400 plus 100, which is 1,500 when I add them together. And 210 plus 15 is 225 when I add them together. So put them all together and I get 1,725. That's the product right there. All right, number 3, single step word problem. Sarah has 5 bags of Starburst. Each bag has 84 pieces. About how many pieces does she have? All right, so this is a single step problem. So let's talk about what I understand. I know that she has 5 bags of candy, and each has 84 pieces. It says about how many pieces does she have. So I don't want the exact answer. I want to round or estimate the total that she has. So my plan is that first I'm going to round. And since I have 5 bags and each bag has 84, that means that to find the total, I need to multiply. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply. I'm going to round 5, 84, and 5, and then I'm going to multiply. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve it. So I have 84 times 5, and I want to find the estimated answer. Now, when you have a problem like this, boys and girls, where you have a 2-digit factor and a 1-digit factor, you only want to round one of them. You want to round the double-digit factor. So we're going to round it to the nearest 10. So I'm going to look at the 8 and look to the right, and it's a 4. The 4 will tell my 8 to remain the same, and so it will round to 80. And then my 5 I'm going to leave alone. So now I have a multiple of 10 or multiplication pattern problem. My basic fact is 8 times 5, which is 40 actually, and then I'm going to add a 0. So Sarah has about 400 pieces of candy. So my answer is Sarah has about 400 starbursts. And that is the answer to Wednesday's spiral review. Thanks for watching. See you next time.